welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me for another CVS haul video. I posted a deals video earlier today and it has so many deals to choose from. In this video, I will use a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT I received in my email, and I'll keep it very simple. I only use 4 paper coupons, 3 for the CoverGirl and 1 for banana boat. If you did not see the first one I posted, make sure you check it out because that will be very helpful. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. The first deal I have is on Colgate toothpaste. I'll pick up 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste priced at $6.29 each, and they are part of the buy 2 get $6 extra care box. Picking up 2 will total $12.58. We have 2 3 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take out 6, dropping it down to $6.58, and I'll get 6 back, making both just 58 cents or 29 cents each. I know I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I'll use a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT, but each deal I will explain it by itself in case you don't have that CRT. Second deal I have is on Axe body wash. The on buy 2 get $3 back, limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Axe body wash priced at $6.49 each. These 2 will total $12.98. We received a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98, and I'll get $3 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be the buy 2 get $5 back. I'm going to pick up 2 1-liter scope mouthwash, and they're on sale for $4.99 each. You can pick up the Crest toothpaste or the Oral-B toothbrush. It depends on what you need, but I'll pick up 2 of the mouthwash. The 2 will total $9.98. Today we received 2 3 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off 6, dropping it down to $3.98, and I'll get 5 back, making both free and $1.02 money maker. My next deal will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back, limit of 1 per week. I'm going to pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils. They are priced at $5.79 each, and these 3 will total $17.37. If you have today's savings set, use 3 of the $3 coupon. It will be a better deal, but I printed mine from coupons.com, and there they have $2 coupons. Using 3 and the $5 mystery offer we received last week, we'll drop it down to $6.37, and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 free and $3.63 money maker. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back on any banana boat or Hawaiian Tropic sun care, limit of 1 per week. I'll pick up the Key sunscreen stick priced at $9.29. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the sensitive mineral enriched sunscreen spray priced at $11.49. These 2 will total $20.78. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a $3 hang tag that will double dip with a 4 off 2, taking off $7, and that will drop it down to $13.78, and I'll get $10 back, making these 2 just $3.78 or $1.89 each. This is what my 10 off 70 is looking like, and all these items will total me $73.69, and all the coupons I mentioned earlier on will take off $46. That's including the 10 off 70. After that, I will pay $27.69, and I plan on using some extra care box to help lower my out of pocket, and I'll get $34 back in total, and that will make this transaction free and $6.31 money maker. Let's go over my receipt and see how it all worked out. You can see all the items I picked up, and on my coupon section, the 4 coupons I used there are the 3 coupons for the CoverGirl and 1 for the banana boat. My banana boat coupon double dip with the 4 off 2. The Axe came off. The 2 3 off 2 digital coupon came off for the scope mouthwash. And the 2 3 off 2 for the Colgate double dip and took off $6. And my 10 off 70 applied. My $5 mystery offer for the CoverGirl came off. I ended up using $28 extra care box. The last one was a $2 extra care box, but it adjusted down to $1.69. I only paid tax for this transaction, and I got back $10 for doing the CoverGirl deal. Another $10 for the spend 20 get $10 on banana boat sun care, $5 back for buying 2 scope mouthwash, $3 back for the Axe body wash, and $6 back for buying 2 Colgate toothpaste. This transaction worked out very well and it ended up being a $6.31 moneymaker. The last deal I picked up is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back. So what I did was pick up the concealer priced at $11.29. And I also picked up the baby lips priced at $4.99. These two would total me $16.28. Everyone received a $3 digital coupon that excludes the baby lips, but it will attach to the concealer. If you still have your $3 from last week, you can use it because I have mine and I'll use it in this deal. I also have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT. The 2 CRTs and the coupon will drop it down to $7.28 and I'll get 5 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on the concealer. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up free and 22 cents moneymaker. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the 2 items I picked up. And on my coupon section, the first coupon is the $3 digital coupon. And also the 3 of 15 came off. The last one is the mystery offer we received last week. I ended up using $5 extra care box, paid $2.28 out of pocket, and I got back $5 extra care box for buying these two. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2.50. That ended up making this transaction free and 22 cents moneymaker. I just wanted to share something extra. This was supposed to be my first transaction today, and according to the tag, this oral care deal is a limit of 2. So I wanted to pick up 2 of the scope mouthwash, 1 toothbrush, and 1 toothpaste. And picking these 4 up was supposed to total $19.96. We have that 3 of 2 digital coupon we received today, and I still have my $2 for the Crest toothpaste and $1 for the Oral-B toothbrush. I have a 4 of 20 Crest CRT. The coupons and the CRTs were supposed to take off $13 and drop it down to $6.96, and I'll get $10 back because I'm doing the deal twice. That will make it $3.04 moneymaker. But when I tried checking out, this did not work out. I don't know why, because all these items were priced more than the coupons. If you tried this deal and it worked out for you, please leave it in the comment section. Or if you know what I'm supposed to do, leave it in the comment section as well. And this concludes my video for today. I hope this is helpful. And thank you all for your support. And thank you all for coming back every week. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.